Today we're making coconut eggplant. Welcome back to Cooking with Feffie, and today guys I have a delicious eggplant coconut stew for you guys. Those that love eggplant or are vegetarians, vegans will thank me for this one. You're gonna need garlic, onion, red bell pepper, coriander, and you're gonna need some sazon. Remember, this recipe is on my channel. Add everything to the pan and start frying it up. Besides your coriander, then you're gonna add half a lime for the acidity. Then we're gonna put some oregano. Make sure to make it small with your hands, just like that. And if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to. Now we're gonna add the sazon and we're gonna leave that fry for a bit. And we're gonna add some of the coriander to give it some flavor. Let it fry for about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna add some eggplant. I used about 3 eggplants, dice it up. You can choose to leave the skin on or take the skin off. Anything is fine. Then we're gonna add 2 small maggie cubes and some salt to liking. A tip, you can add the salt after you taste it if you want to add more. And some black pepper. Now you're gonna give it a good stir and leave it cook for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, until it's a bit soft. When that's done, we're gonna add our coconut milk and our coriander. Add half in there, stir it, let it cook for 3 minutes, and then you're gonna add the rest of the coconut milk and the rest of the coriander. And then you're gonna leave it simmer on low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes, and voila, there we have it, a super easy and delicious eggplant in coconut milk. Delicious with rice, potato, pasta, anything actually. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know how it turned out. Until next time, bye.